Hi guys, this is Technokit. Today I'll show you how to view some person's profile if that person has already blocked you. Let's assume he or she is your crush and that person blocks you. Then how can you view that person's DP on Instagram, as well as you can be able to download that DP. What if that ID is public? Then you can also view its stories too. So let's start now. So for that you have to go to the instadp.com and write that person's username. Let's assume I write FC Barcelona. So here come FC Barcelona. Whatever username that person might have, you write there, and here you got the search results. I selected this. So for viewing that person DP, you can click on this full size, and here you can see the DP. You can also download it, but what if you want to see that person's stories, or even you want to download that person's stories? So just click on the stories. So this remember that this could only be seen by you if that person's ID is clicked. So that's all. You can see that, hence you can download it from here. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and take care. Bye.